Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So if you want to become a 3D animator or if you are a newbie 3D animator, then these three websites will surely help you a lot. So let's move towards our website and let's discuss about their functionalities. So the first website is artstation.com. Artstation.com is marketplace as well as a website where you can where you can find jobs and where you can showcase your work. You can showcase your work in website and people will uh, buy from you. So if we go to marketplace, let's see 404 pixel and Disney style environment 3 plus 9. Let's see what is the price. Standard license 3 $4, and extended commercial license is for $13, and you just have to make it for one time and they will sail through your life. You can also post a job here, find an artist, find a student, find a job. Let's click on find a job, and as you can see there are 370 results available, and game artist, game designer needed, senior technical VFX artist, technical artist, VFX artist, 3D game artist, and as well list goes on. So let's move towards our second website, which is called Blender Artist Community. If you don't know about Blender is most widely used 3D animation software, and this is the community of blenders. You can share your artwork here. This is the community. You can ask your question related to blenders. You can also see finished projects of different people for inspiration. As you can see, this is a great, and this is the model work, and you can see this will help you a lot. You can take inspiration and make your own. So let's move towards our last website, which is called Polycount, and in Polycount is just related to our first website. You can also participate in forums, you can participate in challenges, wiki, and you can get news. So Polycount forum and 3D and 2D video game arts technical forums, you can ask your question here and surely get answer. After that, you can get latest trends in 3D animation, and there is information about 3D animation and Polycount. And the last thing is the trends and blogs. So these are the three best websites which help you a lot in your 3D animation journey. So must visit them and take help from them. So that's it from my side. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.